When you feel it's hopeless, when you think that you lost.
Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye look. As the title states, it is yellow soft smoky shimmer eye makeup look. I have highlighted the crease line using liquid eyeshadow. This seems difficult to a beginner, but you can achieve this highlight easily. To know how, please keep on watching this tutorial. Links to the products that I would be using here are mentioned in the description box below. As my makeup palette, I'm using Oh Honey Nika K palette and picking the soft brown eyeshadow for my outer V. I'm using Sigma E33 brush to pack this eyeshadow on my outer V. To intensify my outer V eyeshadow, I'm using pat black eyeshadow and begin blending it with the brown eyeshadow. Tap, move the brush in circular motion for black to blend with brown. Blending takes time, keep moving brush in circular motion. Next, I'm using this yellow eyeshadow. I'm applying on my crease. I'm creating yellow smoke here. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. Mix it well with brown eyeshadow here. Next, I'm using the shimmery eyeshadow. Do not cross your crease line, keep it within the crease. Pull only mid shimmery eyeshadow towards outer V to blend shimmery eyeshadow with outer V eyeshadow. Now I'm highlighting my crease line. Tip to get this highlight easily done is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand, and to remember that the bristles of the brush are close to one another. The bristles should not be scattered. If the bristles are scattered, it cannot be one steep point. To make it one steep point, get bristles close to one another. Place liquid eyeshadow just on this steep point and begin highlighting your crease line. This is a time consuming process. Do it slowly, do not hurry here. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner to create winged eyeliner. Next, I am creating pointed inner corner. Pointed inner corner shapes your eye. Eye look seems very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. Next, I am coating kajal on my waterline. I am using yellow eyeshadow when smudging kajal on my lower lash line. Move the brush back and forth. Pick yellow eyeshadow and begin moving. Traces of yellow eyeshadow be visible and kajal also should seem smudged. Next, I am coating mascara on my eyelashes. Intensify your eyelashes well, applying mascara. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing my channel. If you have any doubts, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye. Thanks for your time.